Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones redefine peace with their industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing your commute, office chatter, or even a bustling cafe. These premium headphones make it a reality. The incredible QN1 processor and multiple microphones work seamlessly to block out virtually all distractions, creating your personal audio sanctuary. But amazing sound needs power, right? You're covered with an epic 30-hour battery life, ensuring your tunes last longer than your longest day. No more frantic charging, just uninterrupted listening. Perfect for travel or marathon work sessions. For the multitaskers, the multi-point connection is a game changer, letting you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. This seamless feature makes them an absolute must-have for anyone seeking convenience and top-tier audio quality. Thinking about an audio upgrade or looking for the best electronics for 2025? The Sony WH-1000XM5 are definitely worth the investment. Find the official Amazon link in the description below to grab your own pair and transform your listening experience. Honestly, for unparalleled silence, incredible battery, and smart connectivity, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are simply the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy right now.